Hello everyone, this is Learn and Practice Together. So we are going to do ICSE Biology Chapter 1, the leaf. So let's begin. We are going to learn introduction to the leaf first. The leaf is the main photosynthetic organ of the plant. It is usually green due to the presence of chlorophyll. The leaf is also called as the food factory as it prepares food. Then the parts of leaf. The parts of leaves are leaf blade or lamina, midrib, veins, petiole, leaf base. So let's go with the lamina. That is the thin, flat, expanded part of a leaf. It is mostly green in color. The edge of the leaf is called the margin. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. Then comes the midrib. The midrib. The lamina has a thickened vein along its center called the midrib. The midrib extends from the petiole up to the leaf. Then comes the veins. Many lateral branches known as veins arise from one midrib. Veins further branch out to form veinlets. Then comes the petiole. Leaves that do not have petiole are also called sessile or epetiolate leaves. This is a short cylindrical part of a leaf. The petiole attaches lamina to the stem. In some plants, they do not even have that. We call it a sessile or a epetiolate. Then comes the leaf base. This is a small, slightly swollen part at the end of the petiole. Then, then come the functions of the leaf. They help in photosynthesis, transpiration, respiration, and storage. So, photosynthesis, they prepare food using sunlight, CO2, and water. And next is transpiration, loss of water vapor through stomata. Respiration, they exchange gases. Storage, in some plants, leaves store food. For some plants, leaves store food. And in venation in leaves. Now we are going to learn venation in leaves. It is reticulate and parallel venations. So let's start with reticulate. In some leaves, the veins and veinlets are irregularly distributed over the entire lamina, forming a network. Such leaves are said to have reticulate venation. The word reticulate means net-like. The examples are people, guava, and mango. Next, parallel venation. In some leaves, the veins run parallel to each other. Such leaves are said to have parallel venation. Example is banana, grass, and wheat. Next is types of leaf. The types of leaf are simple and compound. So let's go with simple leaf first. A simple leaf has a single leaf blade. It has an axillary bud. Some examples of plant with simple leaves are peepal, guava, mango, and hibiscus. Now we go with the compound leaf. In compound leaf, the leaf blade is clearly divided into many distinct parts called the leaflets. Examples are neem, acacia, gulmohar, and rose. Now we go with phyllotaxy. What is phyllotaxy? The arrangement of leaf of stem is known as phyllotaxy. There are three types of them: alternate, opposite, and whole. Let's start with alternate. The alternate. In this type of arrangement, only one leaf arises from each node. The leaves are attached to the stem in a spiral pattern. Some examples are sunflower, mango, and China rose. Let's go with opposite arrangement. In this type of arrangement, a pair of leaf arises from the same node, but the grows opposite to each other. These are said to be called as opposite arrangement leaves. Example are basil, calacotrips, successive pairs. Hold arrangement. In this type of arrangement, a set of three or more leaves are in the same node. These leaves are at the same level. These are called form a whole. Examples are Nerium oleander, Astonia coluaris, which is also known as the devil tree. The modifications of leaves. The trendles comes as the first one. The trendles, they are used for climbing. They they are very useful. They are thin. Now let's go for spines. The spines are usually in desert areas. They are in cactus. It is very, even the examples can be opuntia. It is very, it helps in less transpiration. Let's go with storage. For storage, they are in some plants the leaf are modified into scale leaves. Those are the storages. Like example is onion. So here is the summary. Leaf is the food factory of the plant. Main function is photosynthesis, respiration and transpiration. Venations can be reticulate or parallel. Leaves may be simple or compound. Some leaves are modified for special functions. Now let's have a quick quiz. The flat green part of the leaf is called the lamina, the B option. Which plant shows parallel venation? C1. Grass. The Venus flytrap modified its leaf into insect trapping. B. So we come to the end of the chapter. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you.